Welcome to the HowBiz Solutions podcast, where we help businesses grow their online presence and achieve their digital marketing goals. Today, we're diving into the world of SEO with a focus on 3 essential reports that managers should view monthly. At HowBiz Solutions, we understand the importance of SEO in today's digital landscape, and we're here to help you make sense of the data and metrics that matter. So, let's jump right in. First up, we have the Keyword Ranking Report. This report shows where your website ranks on search engines for the keywords that matter to your business. It's essential to monitor your keyword rankings to understand how your website is performing in search results and to identify opportunities for improvement. Next, we have the Traffic Report. This report shows how many people are visiting your website, where they're coming from, and what they're doing on your site. It's essential to monitor your website traffic to understand how your marketing efforts are paying off and to identify opportunities for improvement. Finally, we have the Conversion Rate Report. This report shows how many website visitors are taking the desired action on your site, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. It's essential to monitor your conversion rate to understand how well your website is performing and to identify opportunities for improvement. In conclusion, SEO is critical to the success of your business in today's digital landscape. By monitoring these 3 essential reports, you can optimize your website for search engines, drive more traffic to your site, and increase your conversion rate. Thanks for tuning into the HowBiz Solutions podcast. If you have any questions about SEO or digital marketing, don't hesitate to reach out to our team of experts. We're always here to help you achieve your goals and grow your business online.